Have you ever wanted to be able to look in front of you and behind you at the same time?
A lot of people find what I do a little weird. I like creating things that I can use personally or that other people can use.
An animatronic hand, four-sided hologram. Real snow.
I'm always pulling stuff apart, trying to figure things out, trying to improve it. When I was younger, I had a friend who had low vision, and glasses just didn't help whatsoever. There were other devices available, but they were really expensive. When do-it-yourself VR headsets came out for smartphones, I realized I can use this to try to make a device that's cheaper for people. So I made an app that brings the image closer to the eyes. When I finally posted the app, I had no idea if anybody would use it.
I hope it helps somebody. Have a great one.
Hi, I can see!
I mean, you guys don't understand. I mean, you probably do understand how awesome this is.
I can see you actually have glasses on! And a glass of coffee and a neck and a bracelet. It says, everybody loves to
To hear that my app has helped so many people's lives is just amazing.